Muli nagkausap si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte at ang abogado niya sa International Criminal Court na si Attorney Nicholas Kaufman. Ang mga plano ni Kaufman, ibabalita sa atin ang kasama natin si Maris Umali, live mula sa The Hague, Netherlands. Maris.
Igan, pasado alas 12 na nga ng hating gabi ngayon dito sa the Netherlands at naniniwala ang kampo o yung defense team ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte na mapagbibigyan ng International Criminal Court oras na humiling sila ng interim release para sa dating Pangulo. Binigyang diin ng lead counsel na si Attorney Nicholas Kaufman na karapatan ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte na mapalaya habang iniimbestigahan pa ang kaso. Hindi naman daw kasi siya magiging banta kahit mapalaya muna.
The first of which is the risk of flight, the second of which is the risk of interference of witnesses or with the evidence, and a third of which is the risk of continuing crimes. None of those factors exist in the present situation, so there is a right for Mr. Duterte to be released.
Hindi man masabi kung kailan ihahain, tinatrabaho na raw nila ang paghiling para sa interim release. Sabi pa ni Kaufman, kukumbinsihin nila ang pre-trial chamber judges na walang jurisdiksyon ng ICC sa kaso dahil naging epektibo na ang withdrawal ng Pilipinas sa ICC bago pa masimula ng investigasyon.
There is a compelling argument that the court cannot exercise its jurisdiction over the Philippine situation. That is a live issue. It's an issue which has been through the Philippines courts. It's an issue that's been through the ICC as well. It is a compelling argument. It's an argument that the defense will raise. This is something that has been argued over the last number of years.
Sinisika pa naming kunan ng pahayag ang prosekusyon kaugnay nito, pero dati na nilang iginiit na pasok pa rin ito sa jurisdiksyon ng ICC. Maging ang International Criminal Court, sinabing meron silang jurisdiksyon sa mga krimeng naganap bago kumalas ang Pilipinas sa Rome Statute.
So the court's jurisprudence has already indicated that the ICC retains jurisdiction even after the withdrawal of a state, but only for the crimes that are allegedly were committed during the period when the state was a state party to the ICC Rome Statute. A withdrawal does not affect these obligations and this jurisdiction of the ICC.
Ayon sa depensa, kung kakatigan ng mga hukom, hindi na raw magkakaroon ng confirmation of charges hearing sa Setyembre. Ngayong araw lang uli nakadalaw sa kulungan si Kaufman. Aniya, sumailalim siya sa operasyon pero maayos na raw at kaya niyang depensahan ang dating Pangulo. Matagal na raw kilala ni Kaufman ang makakatunggali sa korte na si ICC Prosecutor Karim Khan, na dati na niyang pinuri bilang isang mahusay na abogado. Kaya nang matanong kung magiging matindi ba ang kanilang tapatan sa korte.
Lawyer, just like you. And if you know how we all work and how the law works, we are impartial. We are officers of the court. My duty is to do my absolute best for Mr. Duterte, and I hopefully will ensure his acquittal. Mr. Khan's duty is to ensure that justice is done, and I trust that he will do that.
Nagpapasalamat naman si Duterte sa mga sumusuporta sa kanya, kasabay ng pakiusap na wag nang makialam sa kaso.
There was a huge outpouring of support and love in both in the Philippines and here in the Netherlands. And that has touched him. He's been made aware of it and he's very grateful for that. The family want to make it clear, and he endorses this, that there should be no interference with the judicial process. The politics is one issue. There should be full respect for all participants in that process, the prosecution, the defense and the victims' counsel, who will make their submissions in due course.
Igan, bagamat in high spirits sinabi sa atin ni Attorney Kaufman na nahihirapan pa rin daw si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte na makapag-adjust sa loob ng ICC detention facility lalo't 80 taong gulang na ito at may iniinda pa ang mga medical issues.
Igan, mauna ka sa mga balita, mag-subscribe na sa GMA Integrated News sa YouTube para sa iba't ibang ulat sa ating bansa.